string providing so many methods. Using these all methods, what we can do? Okay, see here. Python provides a rich set of built-in methods for manipulating the string. Manipulation of string means string updating related, accessing related, new strings creating related, deleting related, like different string manipulations we can do for operations. So these string related methods allow for various operations, including some case conversions related, searching related, replacing related, splitting related, or boolean representation related, okay, boolean values finding related, like different operations we can do using these string methods. For example, case conversion related methods, guys. We have so many case conversion methods. So first one is the upper method. What is the purpose of this? Converting all string characters into uppercase. For example, this is my string. So using the upper method, converting into uppercase like this. Okay. Lower method, converting all string values into lower case. So like this, you're going to get it. All one word answer only. Upper method converting given string into uppercase format. Lower method converting given string characters into lowercase. Capitalized method behavior is given string first character only converting into uppercase. It capitalizes the first character of the string. Capitalizes means only first character, uppercase letter. Capitalize means uppercase. Okay, and converts the rest of the remaining string elements into lowercase, guys. Into lowercase. Okay, so that is the concept here. So now you can see here the hello word is there, only H capital there. Remaining all letters lower only there. All of you clear this one? Yes, Mahesh. Mutable means in the same object memory we cannot do changes. If we are trying to do changes, return type that. Okay, next title method. Title method behavior is in given string every word first letter converting into upper here and here. Every word first letter converting into upper. It converts the first character of each word to uppercase and rest to lowercase. Rest to means remaining characters into lowercase. Okay, that is the title method behavior. And next swap case method. So swaps the case of all characters. It means uppercase to lowercase letters to uppercase format, converting this one. Okay, like this converting. So these all are case conversions related, guys. String conversions related, upper method, lower method, capitalize method, title method, swap case method. These methods we used, guys. Okay, 5 methods already explained. That's why just overview I'm giving, guys, here. All of you clear? And next, searching and finding methods. From this thing, I want to search some inputs I'm giving, and I want to search for that searching purpose or finding purpose. Some methods we are going to use. One of the method is count method. Count method. Count of substring we are giving. It means here apple, pay, and apple juice. Like okay, like some string is there, guys. Some string is there. So in this string, apple, how many times repeated? How many times repeated? So here one time, 2 times repeated. Count method behavior is given substring how many times repeated in the main string. Checking and return its count, guys. Count returned. If not available, this given substring if not available in the main string, then this one not throwing any error, just a 0 throwing, guys. 0 throwing. Returns 0. Is that clear? Count method. Next, index method, guys. Index of substring. It returns the lowest index of the first occurrence of the given substring in the main string. For example, here, hello word is there, guys. In this hello word, word, in which index available? Okay, this is the 6th index, guys. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the 6th index. In 6th index, this word is there. In this main string, this substring in 6th index position available, returns that. If not available, this substring if not available in this main string, then value error returning. value error returning, substring not found, like that. Okay, same like that. And this method behavior is left to right searching, guys. It is searching from left to right direction, and the first occurrence index value returns. So for example, this wall dip multiple times there, left to right searching, first time where is finding that index value returning. Okay, that is a index method behavior. Now R index is there, guys. R index. It means right to left searching. R index means right to left searching. Normal index is left to right searching. Okay, only that is the difference. So, and right to left searching, and from right to left when searching, the first occurrence where is there, that index value is going to return here. Okay, so remember, guys, that one. And next, okay, R index method, if we are using, if given substring not available, if given substring not available, then it returns a value error, guys. Value error returns. Okay, index or R index returns value error if given substring not available in the main string. Okay, for that alternative find method is there, find of substring. So this one behavior also same like index method only. So if given substring available in the main string, first occurrence related index value return. If not available given substring in the main string, it returns -1. Index method returns value error exception, but find method returns -1 if not available substring in the main string. Are you clear difference between them? Find or find. Find means left to right searching, or find means right to left searching. Come on, let me know, guys. Up to this 5 methods, behaviors: count, index, or index, find or find. Total 5 methods. Everyone is clear? Totally 5 plus 5, 10 methods clear right now. Do practice. That is in your hand. There. Okay. So for searching related only, guys, or data manipulations related only, so we can also use starts with method, ends with method, guys. Starts with, ends with there. Open the ideally and execute, guys, here. Open the ideally, practically you can execute. Hmm. So for example, right now here, text equal to any input you can take it. So Python programming, this is my text. Next, text dot starts with method is there. So now here the any input you can use Python. Okay, so this is the main string, guys. This is the main string. In this main string, this substring starting onwards if there. Okay, so this main string starts with this substring. This main string is starts with this substring or not, searching, guys. If yes, it returns true value. If not, it returns false value. For example, right now you can see here pyt I'm using. What is output? What is output here? What you are expecting output here? True or false? Kirti, why it is false? So this returns true only, guys. This returns true only. Why it returns true? That is you have to understand. Okay. So here in this main string, starts with pyt or not checking. Yes, pyt here is there. Only pyt, first 3 letters only pyt. Okay, up to here only. So no need of full words here, full word related characters. So pyt, starting pyt is there or not checking. Remaining characters, anything may available, no problem. Starting pyt is there or not checking. Yes, pyt is there, that's why true returned. Okay, not only full Python, guys, just character also can checking. And in this situation, if I'm using py, capital P I used. So, but here the available what? A small p. So that's why it is going to return false value. Okay, now? So given main string is start with this given substring or not. If we want to checking starts with method, we can use it. If starts with that something and returns true, then we can do something. Okay. Yes, same like that. Text dot ends with method is there, guys. Ends with Ming, like I'm using. Now what you are expecting, it is also returns true if main string ending with Ming. Okay, ending with this something. So here MING, last four characters MING Ming there. Okay, here also there, same there. In this main string ending Ming there. So then true value returns. Hope you are understanding one word answers. A given main string starts with given substring or not. If you want to checking starts with method, we can use. Ends with method behavior is given main string ending with given substring or not checking. True or false related methods. Okay, so now starts with ends with. Okay, so here totally 7 methods, guys. The searching finding methods related 7 methods explained, and starting 5 more methods, case conversion related. So 12 methods right now over. Okay, next modification or manipulation methods, guys. So simply modification related. Replace method already explained, guys. Replace method. So old string comma new string comma count also we can use. Okay, old string new string count also we can use. For example, here only this is my text. Okay, this is my text, guys. So text dot replace of in this so Java I want to replace where I want first of all here. Okay, Java Python I'm using. Now if I'm executing, is this going to replacing Java programming written or Python programming only written? What is output? Python programming or Java programming? Java replaced with Python, you said, someone said. In this main thing, is there any place Java? Is there Java? If Java is there, replacing. Okay, na? So if Java is there, Python with Python replacing, but no Java is there here. Then what happening means original string as it is returning. Original string returning. So that's why in this situation, we can use Python like this. Now here the Java like you can use. So wherever Python is there, there Java replacing. Java programming like that coming. Okay, error not returning, guys. If available something with this new string, old string if available with this new string replacing in this main string. This is a main string. This one is a old string, guys. Okay, this one is a new string. In this old string, we can replace with this new string. And count also we can use how many times we want to replace. How many times we want to replace. Okay, so remember that and do practice. And next strip method, guys. Strip method behavior. So carefully check it, guys. Manipulation, string manipulation related. So s equal to, so here 1 2 3 3 spaces there, and next hi message 1 2 there. Okay, starting three spaces, ending 2 spaces, totally 5 and 2 characters there. Now len of s is what? Len of s is what? Here len of s. So len of s 2 now. So every space is also calculatable, guys. My dear student, every space is also calculatable. So starting 3 spaces, ending 2 spaces, totally 5 and 2 characters, totally 7 is there. So 7 there. Okay. Now here s dot l strip method is there, guys. S dot l strip. L strip means left strip. Left strip means in this main string. starting place, if any spaces are there, those spaces are going to eliminating, okay, are going to removing. Simply left side spaces are removing. Any empty spaces, if available, those are going to removing. Okay, so that's why see here like this getting starting spaces removing. This is the L strip method. Okay, so original string no changes guys, remember. And R strip method also there. Right side, if any spaces there, empty spaces, removing. These empty spaces removing using right strip method or strip. Okay, so original string as is there guys. S dot strip method, if we are using both left side and right side related empty spaces are going to removing. Leading spaces, tiling spaces guys. Leading spaces and tiling spaces both are going to removing using the strip method. In some languages, a trim method they are using. L trim method, R trim method like that. Trim means cutting. Empty spaces are going to cutting. Strip method, both left and right side empty spaces are removing. L strip only left side, R strip only right side removing. Okay, three methods guys. No, Dhananjay, no. In between this thing, if any space is there, we are unable to remove it. So later, by using some regular expression patterns, you can do it. Wherever wherever the empty space is there, without spaces, you can replace, okay, with characters or something. So here only some possibilities related methods there. And if you know regular expression, you can do any kind of thing. Okay. So yes, now here replace L strip, R strip, strip method, 4 methods. And already we discussed about the split method and split lines method in the last session only. Split method behavior is what? Split method behavior. Okay, list of words wise returning. For example, directly here I'm writing Python is easy language. This is my string dot split method. Or else simply if you want string you can assign to one variable. Okay, s1 dot split method. By default, empty spaces considering as a delimiter or as a separator, then separating. Okay, so now list of words wise, simply list of strings where each string is like one word counting guys. Okay, so empty spaces by default. And now here if you want you can take it like one space. So wherever space is there, there splitting. And how many times you want to split? Two times only. Wherever empty space is there, two times only I want to split. Later onwards I don't want to split it. Then remaining string I still printing. Okay, so now totally how many spaces there? 1 2 3 there guys. So I'm going to use here 5. Then what happening? 5 times I want to split it. Is this throwing any error? So here 5 I given guys, only 3 times only space is there. Available times replacing. More than 5 times if space is there, only 5 times splitting. Okay, remaining string like a normal string format returning. But here less than 5 times only there, available times splitting is splitting. Okay, no error here. Got it? So here, for example, you can see here apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry, like comma separation there. So here the split of comma used. Wherever comma is there, they're splitting. So list of fruits displaying as a list of fruits displaying. Yeah, list of fruits displaying. Okay. So now here the space separation is there. Wherever space is there, they're splitting. This is the default splitting. Okay. So how many words are there? How many words are there if anyone finding? So this one string dot split method we can use, we can give as the input to the len function how many words are there. Len of words guys. Okay, length of the string. This is what list of words. List of words there. Len function, if we are using, how many words are there, finding. Same like that, split lines there. In a string, if multiple lines of data are there, how many lines are there? If we want to find out, split lines method we can use. Split lines method, if we are using, list of strings wise dividing. List of strings where each string is like one line. Each string is like one line, guys. So that's why list of lines wise returning. And len function, if we are using, how many lines are there, finding. Okay, like this, guys. So 4 words are available. This is normal thing, and here the length 4 you are going to find out. 4 words are available like that. You are going to get it. Okay, not 4 words, 4 lines. So simply here you can change the message. 4 lines are available. 4 lines are available. How many words are there? If I want to find out, here text dot split method we can use. Okay, then total number of words you're going to get it. How many characters are there? If we want to find out, only just len function of given string object we can use as input. Okay, depending on the requirement, we can do it, guys. So next, split method, split lines method, join method is there, guys. This is the new one. Join method. Join of iterable object. Join of iterable, like I'm using. So remember, guys, iterable object is nothing but a sequence object. Iterable object, nothing but a sequence object. Sequence object is nothing but what? Let me know. Sequence object examples, let me know. What are the sequence objects? This term don't forget. Sequence means what? Iterable or sequence, both are same. So sequence nothing but a group of values. So group of values where we are maintaining, using which objects we are maintaining, using list of values, a tuple of values, a string of values, a range of values. Okay, these are all called sequence objects. Simply group of values. Range of 10 means 0 to 9 numbers generating, means group of numbers generating. That is also a sequence object. Okay, so sequence objects also called as iterable objects. Iterable means for loop we can write one by one we can iterate the elements. We can iterate the elements. So join of iterable is there. It means it concatenates the elements of an iterable using the string as a separator. Simply concatenates the elements of an iterable. For example, list of strings there, using this join method we can concatenate. Okay, now you can see here I'm going to use so this one, guys. This is the one list, guys. Assumption. This is the list of words. List of words. Okay, so from this list of words I'm using here empty string. This is called empty string dot join method. Join method of list of words I given as a input. List of words nothing but iterable objects, group of values there here. So now join method behavior, first word taking and adding to this empty string, means this one. Okay, first Python accessing, this is empty string plus Python. String plus string concatenating side by side, Python coming. Next, one more word, guys. One more word is what? So this one is adding to this string. Already here Python is there. Python plus is. Okay, Python is coming. Next, easy also coming, guys. Next, easy. For example, here spelling mistake there. Don't worry. Okay, easy. Like one by one accessing and adding to this empty string. So finally, you're going to get like this. So, okay, between every word, if you want a space, first here is there. So now you can write here, and you can make it a space here. So then between every word, the space you are getting. See here, list of words there. This list of words, okay, each word concatenating. Python plus is, Python is plus easy, Python is easy plus language. Okay, between every word, one plus operator, nothing but like a concatenation operator happening. So that's why Python is easy language like that coming. With required separator, whatever the separator we want, that separator we can use. Okay, here the between every word one star separator if I want, then see here with the star separator you're going to get it. All of you clear, guys? So now here dot join of see here a comma list of characters a comma b comma c. So now here list of characters there, each character getting and adding to this empty string. So simply these all characters concatenating. Concatenating means side by side adding a b c like you're getting. This is the join method behavior. Are you clear? Let me know about this function. This is more helpful in future days. Like this, if list of words there, guys, these all words, if we want to concatenating, we can use join method like this. Then this list of words like a single string you're getting. Python is easy language. If we are having string like this, Python is easy. Like a list of words wise, if we want to get a split method, we can use. For example, this is a string, and a split method if we are using list of words wise we are getting. Sometimes a list of values giving and how to creating like a single string object like asking, then that time join method we are using. Sometimes single string giving and how to return like list of words wise asking, that time split method we are going to use it. Okay, yes, yes. And next so many billion functions we discussed, guys, billion functions. Okay, so Python provides several built-in string methods that return a billion value. Billion value means true or false based on whether the string meets a specific condition or not. So we are giving one condition, guys. So the condition satisfying or not, checking based on that true or false values returning. Okay, simply called as the billion method. So here is lower method is there. What is the behavior of this? In this string, all characters, lower characters are not checking. After checking, if yes, a true return. This function checks whether the given string contains all lowercase letters or not. If all are lowercase, then it will return true, or else false value returned. Okay, so here Python developer, all are lower letters there, returns a true value. Here Python capital P is there here, that's why return false. Okay, same like is upper. In given string, if all characters uppercase there, returns true, otherwise return false. Same example here given. So here all characters uppercase there, that's why true return. And here lower letter there, false return. And is numeric, guys, is numeric method. Okay, so in this given string, if numeric characters there, numeric values there, numeric values means numbers. In this given string, if only numbers there, then this one returns true. For example, like this string format values there, guys, only numbers there, string format. So checks if every character of pin is numeric or not. Numbers are not checking. So pin dot is numeric. Yes, that's why true value returned. Okay, na? In that pin number, if any normal characters there, then going to return false. Only numbers there, then return true like that. So now here the each digit is also there, guys. Each digit. It returns true if this given thing contains only digits. Okay, so here the only digits there, that's why returns true, guys. So here the digits there and dot operator also there. Okay, 123.45. Now some dot also there. So only digits there are not checking, not only digits, some dot symbol also there. That's why false returned. False returned. Okay, now remember, guys. And next is alpha is there. Is alpha means only characters there are not searching, guys. So is alpha. Now here only character there, that's why true return. So here characters and numbers there, that's why return false. And is all num is there. All num means alpha numeric characters and numbers combination. Yes, here characters and number combination there. That's why true return. And here the characters, numbers, underscore also there. That's why false return due to underscore input. And next here empty string is there, guys, without any characters. Then here also false return. At least one character or one number required. Okay, empty strings not accepting. Okay, no? Yes. Next, is space method is there. Is space. In this given string, if only space there without any inputs, without any other inputs, characters or digits or something else. If only space is there, then returns true. Okay, now see here a tab symbol also, guys. It returns true if all characters in the string are white space characters. White space characters means spaces, tabs, or new lines, guys. Okay, and there is at least one character, false value returned. In this, at least one character if available, then false returned. Okay, so here the slash t means a tab, guys. So slash n means new line and empty spaces. So if it is there like that, then true returned. True returned, guys. Okay, this all you can check it practically. So now here the only spaces there is space method returns true. And now here slash n I'm using as true only there. Okay, so here if any normal character there, then false there. Okay, like that. So next is identifier method is there. Is identifier. So already identifier concept I explained, guys. Identifier means user defined name. User defined name for creating variables or functions or methods or classes. We are using identifier. And identifier contains what? Letters, guys. Lower and upper letters, numbers and underscore. Identifier contains only letters, numbers, underscore. Out of these, numbers not allowed in the first position. Okay, so check it here. If this thing is a valid Python identifier, it means starts with a letter or underscore, followed by letters, numbers, underscore. Otherwise, false return. Okay. Now you can check it, guys, here. My variable. So here only characters, underscore, and characters there. This is a valid identifier. Now 123 underscore variable. So here the digits there in the first position. So invalid identifier. Like that, understand. Understanding, guys? And okay, these all are Boolean functions, guys. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 Boolean functions. So nearly 25 methods now we discussed, guys. Nearly 25 methods, more than 25 methods I explained. And this thing material also I shared with you. I do practice, guys. Very, very important. Okay, now? Yes. So now next two more methods there is a very, very important method. So that is one is the format method and the f-string method, guys. So take it here. So one string I'm writing. Employee name is, or else simply employee name Srinivas, and salary is 10,000. Okay, this is my string, guys. I want to print like this. So in this situation, this name sometimes are dynamically coming, guys. So here curly brace syntax we can use. Okay, or else simply here first of all, old tradition also I'm telling you, old tradition percentage yes we can use, and here also, okay, here percentage d we can use. Okay, and next format specifier we can use, format specifier, and here the group of values we can write. Now here the Srinivas I'm using and 10,000 I'm using also. Okay, So this first value to this first format specifier here, special character is a format character, and this second value to this second input binding. In these places binding. Okay. So now here in this percentage S plus inverse coming, in this percentage D plus 10,000 coming. So these values sometimes from the databases we are getting as okay, from databases we are getting, or sometimes using the UI forms. Okay, enter username, enter salary, like that, entering and coming the data. Sometimes coming from APIs. So these data we can use in our thing. Wherever we want, there we can bind it. Okay. Now here, this is the old tradition, guys. So here percentage yes also we can use. Percentage yes representing string kind of data. So here the string type there, here string type there, no problem. Here digit type there, digit type data also we can assign here. Okay, yeah, using the percentage yes, no problem. But now here next in this place I'm going to use a D, percentage D. Percentage D means only digits allowed, digits only accessed, guys. Okay, so this one is now string, then throwing the error. Type error, percentage D format, a real number is required, not a string. So for this, a real number is required, not a string, like that written. So if we are using these format specifiers, using this format symbol, guys, percentage symbol, format specifier we are calling. So if we are using these knowledge, guys, format specifier related knowledge, what is the meaning of percentage yes, what is the meaning of percentage D, okay, and for percentage D, what type of value only allowed, for percentage yes, what type of value allowed, is all knowledge required. This is all making some extra burden on the developers. Okay, that's why Python providing one more alternative concept. Python is providing one more alternative concept. Okay, now? Okay, so that one is a format method, guys. Instead of format specifier, format symbol, format method is providing. So in that situation, no worries about, no need to learn about what is percentage D, what is percentage S, like that. Simply curly brace symbol we can use. Empty curly brace symbol we can use. Okay. So these things called empty placeholders. Empty placeholders. Now this first value to this first placeholder, this second value to this second placeholder binding, and next in this place dot format method we are using. Dot format method, instead of format symbol, format method we are using. Okay. So now this is a 0 index based value, this is 1 index based value. This first 0 index based value into first placeholder, into this first placeholder, this second index 1 means second value, guys. This value into the second placeholder binding. Okay. So now you're getting like this, inverse and salary. So now here in this place, now here, so what is output, what you are expecting? So nowadays, no one using this percentage D, percentage S kind of special characters related. So can use format, and nowadays more training one F-string concept there. I'm going to teach that one. So right now here, no error, guys. See here, this first value into this first placeholder, this second value into this second placeholder binding. So finally output is what? Employee name 10,000 and the salary is Srinivas, like you are getting. So output is coming. Is this meaningful output? Is this meaningful output? No, meaningless. Okay, na? So here this is not meaningful. So that's why to overcome these kind of problems, so we can use indexed number indexing placeholder, guys. Number indexing placeholder. So right now these things called as empty placeholder. So here what type of value they required? Name. Name is character. Okay. String type value. Name related I required. Then first value name only required, like this. Second salary value required. Then second salary we require to write it. So sometimes when we are reading this data from the database or from the UI forms, so first we can write a string or salaries, whatever we want. Some employee object may contains your employee name, salary, city, email, age, like that. So order sometimes we are not following as here. So here which order is there, same order they're going to binding. Okay, so that time sometimes meaningfully binding the data, sometimes meaninglessly binding data. Okay, if I'm using salary here, the name is 10,000, like that something. Okay, so in that situation we have to focus rest order also, we have to focus it. If you don't want to be focusing like that, using the index numbers also we can bind it. So now here 0, here 1 we can use, here 0 we can use, guys. Okay, so this is called numbered indexing. Numbered indexing, guys. These are called empty placeholders, numbered placeholders, number indexing placeholders, or else indexing placeholders. So right now here in this format method, this is a 0 index there, and here 1 index there. So now where 0 indexing is there, there that value is binding. Where the index 1 is there, guys, there this value is binding. Okay, so now employee name Srinivas, salary 10,000, like that, binding. Are you clear, guys? So based on these values order, zero indexing, this is 1 indexing, like that, those index numbers we can use here properly. This is called index placeholders, numbered indexing placeholder. Okay, using the index values also we can bind the values into the string format method. And next named indexing also we can use named indexing. Okay, so in that situation, yeah, I'm going to use e name value and salary value. Okay, employee name is so and so, and salary is so and so, like that I want to get it. So now here salary equal to name equal to value format we are writing, key equal to value, guys. And the next here e name equal to, like we can write. Okay, so in this place, in this situation, wherever salary related key is there, there its value is binding. Wherever e name key is there, there its value is binding. Okay, now? So now you're going to get employee name is Srinivas and salary is 10,000. Are you clear? So now here I'm going to use name. Just name I'm using. So in this, is there any name related key? No, not there. Then it is going to return error. Key error. Key error. E name expecting. But e name related key is not there here. Just name is there here. Okay. So in this line, what are the keys there here? Those keys related only you have to write here. Okay. So that's why key error e name. So here the e name expecting value. E name related key is not there here. Only name related there. That's why key error returned up. Okay. This e name and the salaries are considering like here keys. The key is not available. That's why key error returned. Key error returned. All of it clear? Okay, next one more format method is there, guys. I mean F string concept is there. F string means F followed by the string quotations, either singular, double or triple. This is called F string. So now here employee name is okay, directly here the e name we can write, and salary is salary, like we can write. Okay, so in this situation, guys, first here the e name equal to some Ramu I'm using, salary equal to some 20,000 is there. So now here we can bind it. Okay, so this e name related value here binding, this salary related value here binding. Okay, so previously, guys, without using this F string concept, so this is normal string, like normal string. So in that situation here, we used what? Format method. Dot format of. So here the name equal to value. E name equal to Ramu. Salary equal to 20,000, like required to write it. So without writing here, the directly previous only, if any key equal to value formatted data is there, those keys we can use directly in this string as a placeholder. Allow me clear this one. This is called F string concept. So nearly 30 methods we discussed, guys. So do practice these all things, and sometimes asking how to return the given string as a reverse string. Okay, how to return reverse string, like asking, for example, this is a Python. This Python I want to return like a reverse string, guys. Simplest concept is S of column minus 1, column minus 1 returns reverse string. Okay, so minus 1 means back direction. Okay, this is the negative value. Step value negative means back direction, and the step value positive means forward direction returning, guys. So for example, here, if I'm using positive 1 as the string coming, in this place, starting value 0, ending value available length. Available length is 6, guys. 0 to 6. Okay, 1 1 incrementing like this, right direction. Okay, in this place, minus 1 I used. Minus 1 I used, guys. So minus 1 I used means reverse direction. Starting value 0, ending value available length minus 1. Minus 1 is 1 1 decrementing, guys. 1 1 decrementing. Okay, reverse direction coming back. So that's why here you're going to get this reverse string. This is the string slicing. How to return given string as a reverse string, if anyone asking, by using reverse slicing, like you can tell it by using slicing, like string of column minus 1, you can tell it. So without using slicing, if asking, you have to write logics without using slicing. No, Venu, we cannot represent like that. Symbols here. So before the salary dollar symbol, you can use as a string format only. Okay, using the UI representation only, you can use the dollar kind of things, euros kind of things and all. So if you want to hear the in this salary place, okay, here normal string format dollar symbol you can write. Okay, normal string format here, here dollar symbol is there. So now here if I'm using like that, so for example, salary like salary, if I'm using, like now you're getting salary $22,000 like that, something. Okay, so UI representation is important for that currency representation. Remember that. Okay, now reverse string related I'm talking here. So this is one concept, guys, using the negative slicing. And the next one, yes, is Python, guys. So one more is a reversed function is there, guys. So far methods related we discussed the number of methods. Now some functions we are going to discuss. So len is a function using this length of this string finding. Id is a function using this address of this string object finding. Type is a function using this what type of object is this finding, str string type. Okay, print is a function, guys. Print is a function using this we can print value, guys. String object value, Python printing, these all are global functions. Same like that, we have a reversed function. Reversed function, to this reversed function, given string object as an input I'm giving, then you're going to get reversed object. Reversed object you're going to get it, guys. Okay, this reversed object I'm going to convert into str. So simply string format related only you're getting, but I want these all characters reversed format. Okay, so now this one is nothing but reversed string. So here empty quotations dot join method of reversed string you are using. This is the reversed string. Each character accessing by join function, join method, adding to this empty string, then you're going to get reversed string. Single line only, guys. So this is the original thing. This entire original thing using this reversed function, reversed character format, list of reversed character format, converting as character 1, character 2, character 3, character 4, like that. So now each character using the join method, accessing and adding to this place empty string, concatenating to this empty string. That's why we're going to get reverse string. So simply using the negative slicing, you can do it with a single line, guys, and using this with reversed function also you can do as a single line. Understanding? So without using reversed function also, if asking, this is our string. Now reverse reverse str reverse string or reverse string equal to empty string I'm creating, and create for loop for I in s, means from the s each character is getting into I, from the string each character getting into I, this character assigning to this one, guys. Okay, so I plus reverse string. So I is what right now here, first p letter, p plus reverse string contains empty string. Okay, both are concatenating, finally p string generating, assigning to this same string. Okay, first time p letter is coming. So here what happening here, first time I value is a p, and then reverse string value is this one. Okay, so final result is what, like this you're going to. So that is again assigned to where, to this reverse string only. Okay, next iteration happening. In next iteration, which letter is coming? Y letter is coming. Okay, so for example, I value is what right now here, y plus reverse string contains what, p, and after adding these two things, guys, after adding these two things, so then what is coming here? Yp is coming. Yp, guys. Okay, like that. In each iteration, one character is accessing from the string, that is the left side adding to this reverse string. So this reverse string left side adding. So finally, after completing these all iterations, then we can print this reverse string. Then you are going to get this reverse string. This reverse string you are going to get. Okay. So remember, guys. And next, this is my original thing. How to return, how to sorting this given string in ascending order, guys. How to sorting a given string? Simply how to sorting. Sorting means alphabetical order wise, either ascending order, either descending order. By default, Python is using sorted function, ascending order converting. See here, sorted is a function. So now here sorted function of using. Then sorted function returns in the form of list, guys. List of alphabetical order wise there. Ascending order wise alphabetical format there. But I want a string format. I want a string format. That's why. So now here join method I'm using. And adding to this extension. So that's why sorting order by default ascending order. So waiting, yeah. So descending order if we want descending order, yeah. So now here reverse equal to true value everything. Reverse equal to true means descending order everything. For example, here only, so inside this reverse equal to true parameter if we are using. So descending order wise Z to A formatted. Okay, alphabetical order wise the descending order is generating list of characters. This list if you are giving to this join method, descending order string. Okay, ascending order string, descending order string, sorting of the using this one. Are you clear? Join sorted function and reversed function. In single no sort method, no reverse method, functions there sorted. So to function for thing object as input we are giving to the material, and already I said now. Alright, is it okay now? Okay. So hope you're getting now voice. So now thing concept is over, guys. So yeah, thing methods related also like given interview questions here. Okay. So what is thing? How to create thing you know, and the common methods. So many methods we discussed today, guys. Some important methods you can explain. Okay, so and so method there like that. How do you reverse a thing? Using the negative slicing or using the reversed function or using general for loop, we can reverse it. Whatever you want, you can explain it. So explain the upper and lower case methods. Simply using upper method, string converting into uppercase, lower method converting into lowercase like that. Okay. What is the use of split method? Or else how to return a string as a list of words like asking, that time split method we are using. Split lines method returns a list of lines guys. Okay, given string returns like a list of lines wise. And now carefully check it. This one. How do you find out every word first letter capitalized or not in a given string? The seventh one, what is the answer? How to find out every word first letter capitalized or not in a given string? So recently, one of my student attended interview. He got this question, guys. What is output? Is upper method behavior Anand? Is upper method behavior is what? Entire string is in uppercase or not checking. My question is what? How to find out every word first letter only capitalized means uppercase or not? Okay, capitalized method behavior. So capitalized method behavior only in a given string first letter is uppercase or not checking. Each title method, very good. Each title method, each title method checking is every word first letter is capitalized or not. If yes, returns true. Only title method if you are using, given string related every word first letter is converted into capitalized. I'm not going to converting here. I'm checking if their first letter uppercase or not in every word of this thing. So title method behavior is different. Each title method is behavior is different. Carefully observe. So how to converting only first letter capitalized and remaining characters are into lower. So this is the capitalized method. Only first letter capital letter I want to convert. How to converting every word first letter into capitalized and remaining characters are into lower. Ninth method. Ninth one. Which method? Ninth one. Ninth one answer. Why swap case? Swap case method behavior is what? Lower letters into upper letters into lower. So my God, I think you are not understand. Different methods people are giving the place. All are one word answer method. Last session only I uploaded material. Did you download my material at least? Or without downloading directly coming today's session? Is everyone downloading guys every day material? And end of the days, don't ask me again, sir, please share me all materials like that. I don't want to share that. Every day I'm sharing, download and save in your location. And not only downloading, do practice. Spend half an hour to 1 hour time. How to converting every word first letter into uppercase. Capitalizer means uppercase. Okay, that is I said clearly here. What is this method behavior? Title method. If you convert this title method, if you convert the first character of each word means every word into uppercase. Remaining characters into lowercase. Hello world is there. Every word first letter is uppercase format conversion. Title method. Each title method behavior is if string looking like this, every word first letter is in uppercase or not checking. That is each title method. Title method is converting like this. Both are different behaviors. Okay, now? Yes. We're using use digit input only digits there, otherwise some other inputs also there. Okay. How to check a given string contains only alphanumeric characters using all NUM method, all numeric method. And how to check all characters of given string contains lowercase or uppercase. Okay, how to check all characters of a given string contains lowercase means using is lower, uppercase format related is upper method you can use. How can you check a string starting or ending with a specific substring? So for this, start with ends with methods we can use. Shift method explained, replace method explained, format method explained, fstring method concept explained. Okay, interpolation. String interpolation is nothing but format method behavior only. String interpolation, nothing but format method behavior or fstring behavior you can explain. Using the format method by using some placeholder curly braces, we are binding the dynamic values. That is nothing but interpolation. Okay, about the formatting operator. Okay, I explained already. So write a Python program to check a string is a palindrome or not. A string is a palindrome. Palindrome means given string and its reverse string if both are same, considering like a palindrome. Okay. For example, S is nothing but madam. Madam. After reversing, also madam only you are getting it. If S double equal to reverse string, how we are getting column minus 1. Okay. If both are same, then you are going to print here yes is a palindrome. Else the same message you can write is not a palindrome. Okay, so now see madam is a palindrome. In this place, if any other value giving, then for example Virat, if I am entering, so Virat is not a palindrome like getting. Okay, given string and its reverse string, if both are same, that is a palindrome. For example, 1 to 1, 1 to 1. After reversing also 1 to 1 only coming. Okay, palindrome number. 1 to 3. After reversing 3 to 1 coming. This is not a palindrome. Okay. Yes, remember this. So do practice guys. These all questions later. I explained these all questions later. So nearly 20, more than 20 questions there. And the previous one 15 questions. Nearly 40 questions there guys. So do practicing these all later. So next session support related I will explain this. So before coming to the next session, so single concept related, this all points explained guys. So do reading So later for tuple related, instead of string, just I will use tuple. Okay, how to creating, string data type representing using str, tuple data type representing using tuple. Okay, like that empty tuple object, how to creating. Is tuple object mutable or immutable? Is tuple allows insert not like that? Same point discussed. That's why I do practice this all. You will understand in later session more easily. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for this day. See you tomorrow. And wait, guys, 1 minute. Tomorrow, Saturday, we have a session. And if you all people are interested, guys, Sunday morning session I'll take it. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. to our session. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Already given some holidays. Okay. Next.
Recording stopped.
Yes, yes. Update you guys. Tomorrow I'll update you. Okay. Sunday session morning 7 a.m. Indian time, IST. Morning 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay. About that, we will discuss with you tomorrow. Okay, no? Last 2 days also I took leave, and next weekend, okay, next weekend also I will take the leave. Mayuri, sorted function follows order. By default, ascending order follows. That's why given string sorting order, alphabetical order wise arranged. Ascending order means lower A to Z format. Descending order means Z to A. For that, reverse equal to true input we are using as one attribute. Okay, na? Yes, yes. Every day I'm giving access to unmute. So today just session drop out and I can join.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, 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 yes.
Sir, I have one
Sunday,
question.
I'll wait, wait. So
Sure, sure.
tomorrow couple concepts I'll discuss. Sunday list data type concept I'll complete in one day. Okay, every day one data type we are going to discuss in coming session. Okay, so continue the Sunday also. Please arrange. Okay, schedule your planning and attend the morning 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. to session, or at least 1.5 hour session also. Okay, 7 to 8 session. Okay, now. So next weekend I'll give you all this Sunday along with the Sunday, Monday or Saturday. I'll update that. Okay. So recently, okay, I blessed with some baby girl, right? So function is there. I have to take leave. Baby function is there. Yes, tell me. Tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Sir, whenever we are using any string class method like split or other method, it is printing list. But when we use reverse method, and if we try to print it, it directly print the class instead of the list. So, what is exact return type of reverse method, sir?
Just like a reversed object, that is one object kind of format. Reversed object returned internally a sequence of characters there. Reversed format characters there internally. You know,
So,
just
class is reversed only.
reversed. It is not like a class. It's like a one object, reversed object. You know,
Okay, sir. Yeah, got it.
so it's like a memory kind of thing. Very ideally here. You can do trading. This is our type, something madam is there. Okay, I will take it another one. Python. Okay. So now here the reversed is a function. So this function between value input, it returns like this. Okay, reversed object at this object memory, reversed object memory return simply. It's like reversed object memory. You know?
Yes, sir.
And in this internally group of characters there, sequence of characters there. Okay, reversed format character there internally. Okay, so that's why
Yes.
here if I'm using like this join method up here, then sequence of value there. Sequence means the collection of values, each value is getting and object number. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any other queries?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Last understand today matter. Will I doubt the program file you are unable to download that. Okay, text file format actually how to upload it. Actually in the looping statement only all the examples there whatever we did there is in group chat. Okay, na? So I need to convert Python file into text file and if I'm uploading, then only you are able to download it. I'll reject it, those options. Text file format, I'll upload it. Okay, thank you.